All right, now we're going to do our problem from our law of sine notes that I stopped on today in second period, and it will also help my other classes kind of solidify what we learned. This is word problem A, where Kiera and Caitlin start walking through a field of wildflowers at a distance of 20 feet apart. So one of my dots is going to be Kiera, the first dot, and the second dot will be Caitlin. So Kiera is going to be that first dot, and Caitlin is going to be the second dot. All right, now I know that Kiera is walking. It says a butterfly is flying on a bearing of 44 degrees from Kiera. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my bearing. Now bearings are different than normal angles. With a bearing, I'm going to draw a compass, and my compass is going to start from the north. And I see that I need a 44-degree angle, which is almost right in the middle. And so from there, from the north direction, I'm going to go clockwise this time because we're doing bearings, and I'm going to find out that that's my angle. And Caitlin is going a little bit steeper to north. She's going at 21 degrees, so I'm going to draw a real steep angle up. And the place where those two lines cross, where the blue and red line cross, is really where my butterfly is. Okay, over here back at Kiera, I knew that I was going at a bearing of 44 degrees. And with Caitlin, I knew that I was going at 21 degrees. Again, where those two lines cross, the blue and the red, that is going to be where my butterfly is. And across from that angle is the only length that I have, which is 20 feet. So I really need the angle that's up there. But before I can find that angle, I need to find the measurement of my inside angles. And I see that this around Kiera makes a 90-degree. So 90 minus 44 is how I get that inside angle, and that inside angle would be 46 degrees. All right, my other angle over here with Caitlin, because it's an obtuse angle, instead of taking 90 and subtracting, I need to take at 90 and add the 21 degrees, and my angle over here by Caitlin is going to be 111 degrees. Again, I'm trying to find the other angle because that is where I have the opposite side. So now I want to go ahead and draw where my butterfly is going to be. And here's my butterfly, is where those two rays are crossing. I'm going to draw my butterfly, and I'm going to call this angle B up here, and this is what I really need to find. The question, though, is asking me what is the distance between Kiera and this butterfly. So I know I need this one proportion that's the only length that I have, so I really have to find this angle B because it's across from the only length of 20 feet that I have. So what is my angle B? I'm going to take 180 degrees and I'm going to subtract the angles that I know that are inside the triangle. The first one is the 46 degrees by Kiera, and the second one is the 111 degrees by Caitlin. And if I take 180 and subtract those 2 degrees, I'm going to get angle B is equal to 23 degrees. All right, now that I have angle B is 23 degrees, I can set up a law of sines proportion. So I'm going to go up and now that I know that that is my opposite leg to my angle, I'm going to set up sine of 23 degrees over my side B, which is 20 feet, is equal to, and this is where I need to know what I need to find. I see that my question mark is what I need to find. I need to find that length of that side right there from Kiera to the butterfly. And so to do that, I'm going to go from that side to the angle opposite, which is 111 degrees. So now I'm going to do sine of 111 degrees divided by my question mark, which is the length from Kiera to my butterfly. So my question mark is going to equal to, I'm going to cross multiply my proportion, so 20 times sine of 111 degrees divided by the sine of 23 degrees will give me my answer. And we've done a couple of these. This is just our first word problem. And so I find out that Kiera, the distance between Kiera and the butterfly, if I put all that in my calculator, is 47.786 feet away from each other. And that's my answer. And just if you're not getting that answer, try to make sure that your calculator is in degrees and not radians. All right, thank you.